First, hi, I'm Suzanne Iasenza, and I'm a couple and sex therapist in the New York City area. And what I'm bringing to this conference is a chance to explore how to integrate sexuality into couple therapy, because so many couple therapists don't have formal training in human sexuality, so they may not feel comfortable in knowing how to raise it in a comfortable way, the timing of it, especially if the couple doesn't bring it up. So that's the major purpose of the workshop. Well, I think why it's important, there are so many couples who come to me who've seen other couple therapists who say that either the couples therapist never even mentioned the S word, or that the couple did mention it and then the therapist never followed up. So I think what it's speaking to is people not perhaps feeling competent or comfortable raising it. So that's one of the main reasons, is how could you start to raise it and feel more comfortable? And then behind that will be things like how to give your patients the latest in understanding about different models of expansive sexuality, how to conduct a relational sexual history if they do begin to talk about it, and also how to help with one of the most, I think, cutting edge issues that many people are coming in with, which is how to explore open relationships or polyamory in the most growth enhancing way. So those are more specifics that perhaps, couples therapists hopefully will feel more comfortable to raise with couples.